10 engine-damaging habits every driver must avoid to save thousands. Most drivers don't realize how much their daily habits can impact their vehicle's engine. From skipping regular maintenance to revving a cold engine, many of these seemingly small actions have long-term consequences. Engines are built to withstand significant stress, but even the most durable machines have their limits. Without proper care, even the most advanced engines can fail prematurely. The good news? By recognizing these habits and making small changes, you can avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your car. This guide uncovers 10 common mistakes drivers make that unknowingly harm their engines, along with a bonus tip to give your engine an extra edge. Are you ready to protect your car and save money? Let's dive into the details. Habit 1. Running low on oil. Think of engine oil as the lifeblood of your car. It reduces friction, keeps components cool, and ensures everything runs smoothly. But when oil levels drop too low, critical engine parts, such as pistons and bearings, don't get the lubrication they need. This can lead to increased friction, overheating, and eventually catastrophic engine failure. In extreme cases, low oil levels cause metal parts to grind against each other, creating irreparable damage. Your engine might even seize, a worst-case scenario requiring a full replacement. To prevent this, check your oil levels regularly. Most vehicles have a dipstick or electronic oil level monitor to make this task quick and easy. Top up as needed, and always adhere to the manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule. Habit 2. Driving at constantly low RPMs. Driving at low RPMs is often associated with fuel efficiency, but when done excessively or under heavy loads, it can strain your engine. The oil pump and cooling systems operate less effectively at lower RPMs, resulting in reduced lubrication and heat management. This creates wear on critical components, including the bearings and seals. Occasional low RPM driving in stop-and-go traffic isn't a major issue. However, if you habitually lug the engine, especially when towing or driving uphill, it's time to change your approach. Shift to a lower gear when needed to keep the engine running at an optimal speed. Habit 3. Revving a cold engine. Cold mornings often tempt drivers to rev their engines to warm them up faster. However, this habit is one of the quickest ways to damage an engine. When an engine is cold, its oil is thicker and hasn't fully circulated to all components. Revving it at this stage causes key parts, like pistons and bearings, to endure additional stress, leading to accelerated wear. It's essential to give your engine a few minutes to warm up naturally. This allows the oil to reach its ideal viscosity and lubricate all the necessary parts. Patience during those first few moments can save you from costly repairs down the road. Habit 4. Ignoring fluid leaks. A small puddle under your car might seem harmless, but fluid leaks are often the first sign of bigger problems. Different types of leaks pose unique risks. For example, coolant leaks can cause the engine to overheat, leading to warped cylinder heads and blown gaskets. Oil leaks increase friction and the risk of fire if oil drips onto a hot surface. Brake fluid leaks compromise your ability to stop, creating a significant safety hazard. Transmission fluid leaks can result in slipping gears or complete transmission failure. Ignoring leaks not only damages your car, but can also endanger other drivers. Address leaks promptly by consulting a mechanic and fixing the issue before it escalates. Habit 5. Accelerating hard in high gear. Pushing the accelerator to the floor while in high gear is a surefire way to strain your engine. Constantly forcing the engine to operate under high stress wears out components like the crankshaft bearings and piston rings. Modern cars are equipped with electronic governors to prevent over-revving, but that doesn't mean you should test their limits. Keep your engine's RPMs within the manufacturer's recommended range for both performance and longevity. Habit 6. Ignoring overheating signs. Overheating is one of the most severe issues your engine can face. Yet, many drivers fail to act when the temperature gauge climbs or a warning light appears. Prolonged overheating can warp cylinder heads, blow gaskets, and cause coolant to mix with oil, a disastrous combination that can permanently damage your engine. If you notice your car overheating, pull over immediately and turn off the engine. Continuing to drive, even for a short distance, could mean the difference between a minor repair and a total engine replacement. Habit 7. Driving through deep water. Flooded streets aren't just inconvenient, they're hazardous to your engine. If water enters the air intake, it can flood the combustion chamber, causing the engine to seize. Unlike a fuel or oil issue, water damage requires extensive repairs, and in some cases, a complete engine rebuild. Avoid driving through water deeper than the manufacturer's recommended wading depth. Vehicles equipped with snorkels or raised air intakes are better suited for such conditions, but even they have limits. Habit 8. Skipping routine maintenance. Routine maintenance may seem like a chore, but neglecting it is one of the fastest ways to shorten your engine's life. Over time, old oil thickens into sludge, which clogs vital passages and prevents proper lubrication. Skipping other maintenance tasks, like replacing air and fuel filters, also strains the engine. Set reminders for oil changes, filter replacements, and scheduled inspections. Regular maintenance not only prevents expensive repairs, but also improves fuel efficiency and overall performance. Habit 9. Excessive engine braking. Engine braking, when used appropriately, is a valuable tool for managing speed on steep descents. However, relying on it excessively or in the wrong situations can strain your transmission. Aggressively downshifting puts undue stress on synchronizers and can even lead to over-revving, damaging valves and pistons. Save engine braking for long downhill stretches and use your brakes for regular stops. Brake pads are far cheaper to replace than engine components. Habit 10. Ignoring dashboard warnings. Dashboard warnings are your car's way of communicating problems. Ignoring these lights, whether they indicate low oil pressure, overheating, or other issues, can lead to severe engine damage. Take warning lights seriously and address them as soon as they appear. A quick diagnostic check often identifies minor problems that can be fixed before they escalate into major repairs. Bonus tip: use engine oil additives. Engine oil additives are an underrated solution for enhancing engine performance. These products improve lubrication, reduce wear, and help the oil withstand extreme temperatures. Some additives even boost fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, making them an eco-friendly choice. Using an additive is simple. Pour it in during your next oil change. It's a small investment that pays off by extending your engine's life and improving its performance. Your car's engine is not just a component, it is the very heart of your vehicle, driving every journey and adventure you embark on. Its complex design and precision engineering make it one of the most critical and expensive parts of your car. Taking care of your engine should always be a top priority, as neglecting it can lead to serious problems, from reduced performance to complete engine failure. By avoiding harmful habits such as skipping regular maintenance, revving a cold engine, or ignoring warning lights, you're not just preserving your engine, you're investing in your vehicle's long-term reliability and value. Regularly checking oil levels, addressing leaks, and ensuring all systems are in good condition can save you thousands in repair costs and significantly reduce the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. Moreover, a well-maintained engine offers better fuel efficiency, smoother performance, and fewer emissions, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. If you're eager to learn more about how to protect your vehicle and enhance its longevity, explore my other guides filled with practical tips and actionable insights. Treat your engine with care, and it will reward you with years of dependable service, ensuring your drives are safer, smoother, and more enjoyable. A little attention today goes a long way toward preventing costly repairs tomorrow.